today we're going to be learning how to add an Android library project as a submodule to an existing project. So over here, I've created a new project, and I'm going to be adding another module to this particular project. So as a default, whenever you create a new project, by default is actually called app, but I'm going to be adding a new module to this project. So let's go over to GitHub. I randomly chose this particular Android library project on GitHub, and but in your own case, you're going to be choosing any project of your choice. So what we need to do is we need to clone this particular project. So we head on over to code. So we can either clone this using this particular link, or we can just download this as a zip file. So in my case, we're going to be downloading this as a zip file. So you download this as a zip file, you go back to your downloads folder and you're going to be seeing it here. I've already moved mine to a different folder. So this is the project, this particular file. So what you need to do is come over to this place and you just click on extract here. So when you extract here, it's going to generate this folder, and this folder, as you can see, is similar to the files on GitHub as we have it here. So when you're through with that, we'll go back to our Android Studio. Then we'll go click on File and click on New. And we'll click on Import Module. Then we just need to locate that particular folder. So this is it here already. Yeah. So we don't choose the entire project. We are choosing the module itself, which is this RTE editor. And then we just click on OK. So take note of this thing. In my case, I'm just going to copy it because we're going to be using it later. So copy. Then we click on finish. Okay, so it's gonna take some time for Grado to actually finish building this project, so let's wait a bit. All right, so we've encountered some errors and let's fix that quickly. So you can see it's telling us it does not understand this build compile SDK unresolved reference build, as well as this particular, let me see, line 10 of 10. All right, this, and then it doesn't understand this app compact. All right, so let's fix this. So we'll go back to our original project. Then sorry, let's change this to project. Then we'll go back to the build.gradle file of this particular module. Then we'll scroll up a bit. So we're gonna copy this number, compile xdk 32. Come over here and we're going to change it here as well. So we're not building this particular project, so we don't really need the build tools version. I'll copy that for minimum SDK, which is 26. Same thing for target SDK. And then for this Android X app compact, we'll still come over to this place. We'll scroll down to our library, and this is actually what it's looking for. And we'll replace that with it. For this as well, I'm just gonna go online and get the latest version of this. So the latest version is 2.23, 2.2.3. And so let's replace that with this. And for this as well, I'm gonna go get the latest version. Okay, so the latest version is 3.3.1. All right. And then finally, let's try it again. Okay, so we have one more field. This, I think we have to change this to double quotes. Let's try it again. All right, so now everything is done. So if we go over to Android, you can see that we now have another submodule, which is the RTE editor, as well as the app module. All right, and our project has built successfully. Okay, so to use this module that we just imported, go over to your build.gradle, that's for your app module, and then type implementation, then project. And then in this case, we're going to use the module that we just imported, its name. So I'm just going to write RT editor, and then that's all. And let's sync it. All right, so at this point, you've successfully linked the two modules together. All right, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.